Vuca. Volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. This was first introduced in about 1987, and it was a response to after the Cold War, and we didn't know who the US Army didn't know who they were fighting. They didn't know where the threat was coming from. It's also easy to say it's a mad, mad world out there, and people blame everything on VUCA. Oh, it's volatile, it's uncertain, it's complex, it's ambiguous. Well, is that right? Can we do that? So let's look at it. I think there are two questions we need to ask about VUCA. The first question is this: how much do we currently know about the situation we are in? Secondly, how well can you predict what is going to happen next? Now, I'm going to predict that I'm going to sneeze. And here we go. Did I expect that to happen whilst I was doing this video? Of course I didn't. However, volatility, it's expect the unexpected. Okay? It's a natural disaster. It's COVID-19, for example. What is interesting about this, of course, is the unexpected, it's unstable. And we've got to overcome that. It's disruption. And we can look at disruption in the classic way, the dictionary definition. It's stopping a process, a system, an event from happening. Uncertainty. Uncertainty isn't the fact we don't know things. It's often we know a lot, but we don't know when or the magnitude. So a competitor could be launching a new product and bang, suddenly in the middle of your launch, they have launched something which has XYZ features which you did not expect. Uncertainty. Complexity, this is the interconnections and how many interconnections there are and how many of those then spiders web out and you have no control of where they are. And if one thing happens, what is the knock-on effect, not just here, but there, and further down the line. Then ambiguity. Ambiguity is the interesting one in the sense it's unclear messaging, it's unclear relationships, it's unclear responsibilities. I think all of us can think about a few governments right now who are possibly not being clear in all of those three areas. However, let's look at a VUCA in a slightly different way. We've called this volatility. Shouldn't this be vision? It's your way of paving the future. You're trying to predict where you want to be. You're thinking, this is my roadmap. This is my orientation. I'm going to go orienteering. This is my compass. Off we go. So vision. Then instead of uncertainty, it's understanding. And we need to look at it, make clear, transparent, all the connections we have. Complexity. No. Clarity. Clarity, and that clarity, focus on what counts. Focus on those goals that you want to get to. Ambiguity, it's not ambiguity, it's agility, it's adaptability. And I'm sure you can think of many companies right now in this world, in this COVID-19 world, where they have adapted, and they've adapted to many different things. So I'm going to say that's a quick thing on VUCA. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.